en Los Cabos. ¿Listos para una aventura? ¡Vámonos! My name is Nikki Novoselsky and I am a digital nomad travel vlogger who is currently in Los Cabos, Mexico with my family actually. So I'm exploring San Jose del Cabo at the moment and it's a really cute town. So let me show you around and I'm also going to show you what to do in Cabo if you're here on vacation. Here we go. Vámonos. Has two towns, San Jose del Cabo and Cabo San Lucas, and I'm currently exploring San Jose del Cabo. I'm downtown and it has so many cute restaurants, so many cute stores, and we're really thoroughly enjoying ourselves down here. It's a 15-minute walk from the hotel. I'm staying at Cabo Azul, and so I just walked on over to the town and am exploring around. I plan to go to Cabo San Lucas tomorrow and go snorkeling and seeing all of the sights then. So let's take a look around this town together, juntos. Hello! Today we are in Cabo San Lucas. We are downtown and it is pretty crazy. So many people trying to ask if you want to go on boats, if you want to go snorkeling, if you want to do all the things, if you want lanyards, if you want bracelets. So you will probably get swarmed. It is pretty busy. I personally like San Jose del Cabo's little town better, but we're walking through La Marina and we're gonna eat at The Office. I've heard it's really good food. So let's take a walk through Cabo San Lucas. Let's go. Vámonos. So we just had lunch at The Office and it's in the sand, which is super cool. And the food was so delicious. A little bit expensive, a little bit pricey, but so fresh. The pico de gallo was fabulous. And I had some meat, steak, briskety tacos or burritos, and they were amazing. So highly recommend The Office. It's super touristy, but also very worth it. So now we're just gonna walk back near the marina and see what else this has to offer. We're probably going to do a snorkel tour tomorrow. Lots of boat tours you can do, sunset tours, snorkel tours. You can even go to La Paz, 2 hours away, and swim with some whales and some sea lions. I don't think I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna swim near the arch and see all the fish there, but that's definitely something that's going on the top of my bucket list to do another time. So let's go to the marina and let's see what else we can do in Cabo San Lucas. There's sea lions out here and some pelicans and lots of fish and wildlife. This is amazing. I really want to go snorkeling and see what other fish and animals I see. Bonito. So now I am at Flora Farms, which was about a 12-minute drive from San Jose del Cabo, and I took an Uber, which was about 100 pesos. So very cheap to get here, and the grounds are beautiful. There's a little sandy road to get here, but after you get in, everything is gorgeous, super serene. The food is delicious. This has been probably my favorite meal and my favorite place to explore, my favorite restaurant here. So definitely make sure you check out Flora Farms. Everything is so fresh. Everything you order, you can't go wrong. My whole family, we got different meals and everything was 10 out of 10. Amazing. So definitely check it out. Come for lunch or for dinner and you can explore the farms afterwards. So highly recommend Flora Farms. And I'm gonna keep exploring. in nature. We know that I love nature. Here we go. Let's keep exploring. Everything was phenomenal. We have our resident foodie on site, Miss Carla.
Oh God.
My sister. What do you think of the food?
Talk about this.
What do you think of the food?
The frosting was delicious on the cake.
Yes. And
right,
every single meal was amazing. The food was so good. Come to Flora Farms. Okay. Here is my assessment of Cabo. The food is incredible. It's a little bit pricey and it's pretty touristy. So it's definitely not local Mexico, digital nomad land. I mean, it can be, but you're definitely gonna be paying more higher range, higher end for accommodation and for food. But it's absolutely incredible if you wanna take a trip, either a getaway, a wedding, or a family trip. This has been absolutely amazing and it's such a great taster of what's to come for more adventures in Mexico. Okay, we're doing a snorkel tour here in Los Cabos. I got my floaty on and my snorkel and we're ready to see all the fish here. This boat tour has been amazing and now it's time to check out the marine life. And I have a GoPro, so I'm taking you with me. Vámonos! So this is amazing. There's so many fish. I was hoping to see some sea lions up close and personal and we're not seeing them, but that's okay. We're still having a grand old time in the ocean. We love being in the ocean and immersed in water and nature. So really cool to do a boat tour. A lot of people do a snorkel tour or a sunset cruise here and I highly recommend it. It's super fun. I'm back from snorkeling and I'm a little bit of a snorkel snob because I've been to so many amazing places with incredible marine life. So this was a little underwhelming. I'd give it a 2 out of 10, but it was super fun. I got to see my mom go in the ocean for the first time. So that was 10 out of 10 for hilariousness and fun. And it was just a good time on the boat. They were dancing and singing and had food and drinks, although I did find a rock in my food, so be careful of boat food. But it was just a good time and a great way to see Cabo that way. And this was $59 per person. That included transportation, food, and drinks, and the snorkel gear. So it is, I mean, whatever you think is reasonable, but for me, a little bit pricey, definitely out of the budget digital nomad zone. This is coming into, it is tourist territory, so it's going to be more expensive here in Cabo and more touristy. However, it's amazing to get away and just relax and enjoy a book on the beach or by the pool. So I would recommend coming to Cabo. Just know that you're gonna get tourist vibes, and that's totally fine if you're a tourist and wanting to get away. It does get a little bit breezy in the evening, so bring a jacket or some jeans. But during the day, the weather is beautiful. No humidity. It's incredible. It's really wonderful to be here. So it's a great place to get away. The food's wonderful. So if you enjoyed this video, please comment and subscribe to my channel and like this video. I love hearing from you. And just know that there's 2 different spots here in Cabo. There's San Jose del Cabo and there's Cabo San Lucas. So Cabo San Lucas is a little bit more of your going out town, a little bit more touristy. It has the marina, and San Jose del Cabo is cute, quaint, it seems a little bit more upscale. So you get to pick where you're gonna be, and it's a 30-minute ride in between. About $25 per an Uber to get to city, or $45 for a taxi. So pick where you're gonna stay and enjoy. Hope this showed you a little bit more of Cabo. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Happy to help. I will see you on my videos again soon, and I look forward to traveling more with you. Much love. Bye.